Um, a very warm, pleasant, and sunny morning to one and all present here. The amazing gathering of our research scholars, students, faculty, staff, and other distinguished guests, and most importantly, our valued alumni who have achieved great success in their respective paths since bidding farewell to our beloved institution. It is indeed a privilege for all of us to have our ex-students here with us at the first Alumni Meet 2025. This alumni meet is a platform for us to express our appreciation for your remarkable achievements, seek your guidance, and relive the cherished memories we have together. May I now request our respected director, Professor Shantanu Chattopadhyay, to deliver his speech to the alumni.
Today, we are standing at a very critical juncture in the journey of our dear institute, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Kalyani. This is the day on which we are establishing the formal bondage of the past students with the present students, the faculty, the administration, and all other stakeholders. I strongly believe that the association we establish today will have a significant impact on taking the institute to new heights and make it one of the top institutions in the country as well as the world in the domain of information technology. I am honored to mention that the institute has been selected for 2 national level activities of the Government of India in research and development.
Professor Balakrishnan, please.
The alumni plays many important role in the development of institution, and it's not just funding. Of course, funding is important because this is a funding which comes, altruistic funding. This is a funding which comes without any vested interest or hopefully not an intent to control the direction of the institution. So that's extremely important. That gives the flexibility to the institute administration to look upon these resources as they best understand on how to grow. Okay.
I now request Professor Khare to deliver his kind speech to our alumni and community.
I feel very humbled actually. It's great to be here on this occasion. Alumni can play a major role. I think there are numerous examples in our country where alumni have given lots of support to the institution to grow. I see everything very well placed for IIIT Kalyani, and you have seen right now the distinguished alumni who are very well placed now. And as Professor Balakrishnan said, it's a young IIIT. So I think time to come when these guys will actually contribute more for the institution.
It's my pleasure now to introduce Dr. Arpan Pal.
The next decade is electronics decade. I think all electronics people should realize it. AI is all about devices. AI will not run if you don't build the next generation processors. AI won't run if you don't build the next generation sensors which will give you data. And AI won't run if you don't create the next generation robots and machines. And those will come from electronics. So don't ignore the core electronics, which is happening today.
Please join me in welcoming Dr. Kaushik De.
It's a wonderful journey. When you connect back, you are all young, so you feel you are still you have that student kind of feeling. But 10 years from now, when you come back to your institute, it's a different feeling. You will bring your family, you will bring your kids to the institute, and then you will feel pride in showing that this is where I belong. This is where it all started.
Let's welcome Mr. Malhotra for his valuable speech.
I would suggest every class, when they graduate, every class that has already graduated, get together and have one person as a class rep. Then the institute finds it very easy to keep in touch with the class rep and give them whatever information they want to share, what's happening on campus, etc., etc. And the class rep then disseminates it out to everyone and makes sure that when people move, change their email address, change their jobs, or whatever, that is fed back to the institute.
We express our heartfelt gratitude to all our distinguished alumni, teachers, staff, and students for their unwavering support and dedication towards our beloved institute. Special thanks to the office team, faculty conveners, and volunteers. Thanks to the chief guest, Mr. Malhotra, who has taken trouble to come to Kalyani amidst his extremely busy schedule. Thanks to all the dignitaries, Professor Sunil Kumar Khare, Professor Meenakshi Balakrishnan, Dr. Arpan Pal, Dr. Kaushik De, to really make us privileged to be here and manage to be here, cutting across their valuable time and pressing schedule.